Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 of my YouTube video challenge, and in today's video we're going to be making the 180 degrees or half circle flared skirt. So let's get right into it. For this skirt, for your 180 degrees or half circle skirt, you're going to need your waist measurements. For me, my waist measurement is 37 inches. You're also going to need the length of your skirt. For me, the length of my skirt is 24 inches. Then also you're going to add 2 inches to your waist measurement. That would serve as your sewing allowance and also serve as your zip allowance. Then for me, I have 37 plus 2, which is 39 inches. So now to get the circumference of your half circle skirt, you're going to divide your waist measurement by 3.142. So for me, that is 39 divided by 3.142, and I have 12.4 inches. Then also for your length measurement, the length of your skirt, you're going to add 1 inch for hemming. So the length of my skirt is now 25 inches. Now to get the actual length of the fabric that you're going to use, you're going to add the circumference of your skirt plus the length of your skirt, and for me that is 37.5 inches. So now we're going to measure 37.5 inches on our fabric. Then after that, and we are going to fold it into 2, so it's going to be unfold, then this is unfold. Afterwards, we're going to form from one end of the fabric to the other. It doesn't necessarily have to get to the end of the fabric, but make sure that the fabric is properly, the triangle is properly formed to the other end, so we now have the shape looking like a triangle. So this is what it looks like. So from the edge of the fabric, the pointed edge of the fabric, you're going to confirm your actual length of your skirt, which is for me 37.5. So now I'm going to draw the waist of my skirt. So now the waist of my skirt, if you remember, is 12.4 inches. So I'm going to place my tape at the sharp edge of my fabric, and I'm going to keep moving it to to get the waist of my skirt. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just follow what I'm doing. So keep going, just go around the whole fabric. I'm marking 12.5. So now that is the waist of my skirt. Then after that, to get the length of your skirt, while placing your tape still at the pointed part of your fabric, you're going to measure 37.5. So this is where I'm going to just pull my fabric up a bit so that you can see, but please don't move your tape from the pointed edge of your fabric. So I'm going to place there, and that is my 37.5. So I'm just going to keep moving my tape the way I did for my waist. Just move the down part of my tape while leaving the tips of my tape at the pointed part of my fabric. I'll just keep moving, and I'm marking 37.5 around my fabric, and that is going to be the length of my skirt. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, like our video, comment and share my video. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. And if you have any other suggestions, or maybe a video that you want me to create, you can also drop it at the comment section. So here I'm still trying to complete the length of my skirt, and after that I'm just going to cut it out using my fabric scissors. So I'm just joining the points that I had marked with my tape, and then we are going to cut out the skirt, and then we are going to see what it looks like. It is very easy. This is how to make your half circle skirt. If you follow this process, you won't have any issue. So yes, it's as simple as that. After that, you can now join the sides of your skirt, and then you can put the zip at the zip allowance that we had put by the side, or you can also use a band for your skirt if you want. For this particular skirt, it's supposed to be a dress, so I'm going to be joining the skirt to the top of a dress, and we don't need a band for it. But if you need a band, I'm going to show you now how to create a band for your skirt. Like I said earlier, my skirt doesn't need a band, but since you're going to be adding a band to your skirt, please make sure that you subtract your band length from your skirt length. For example, my skirt length is 25 and my band length is 1 inch, so I'm going to subtract 1 inch from 25, so I'm going to have a skirt length of 24 instead of 25, since I'm going to add band to it. So you're going to then measure your band. Let's say my waist was 37 inches, so I'm just going to measure half of my waist divided by 2, plus zip and sewing allowance for my band. Then I'm going to cut it out on fold. Then my band length is going to be 1 inch, but I'm going to be measuring 3 inches. Why? Because I'm going to be folding my band into 2. So when I fold my band into 2, it's going to be 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to use the ½ inch for my sewing allowance. Then my band is going to remain 1 inch. So this is just me drawing out the band, and this is what my band looks like after cutting it out. Thank you guys for watching to this point. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like our video, comment. If you have any questions or parts that you don't understand, you can ask the question on the comment section. Until I see you on my next video. Bye.